Hey photo students, this is your weekly update on what you needed to hand in last week and what you need to do this week. So if you come over here and look at our calendar, this week you need to make sure you upload a photo of the week, which the theme is spring. And then you do need to set up a conference time with me. We will be going over the demonstration portion and the Photoshop portion of the Man versus Nature um, assignment that is due next week. But the demonstration portion is this week, so you will want to sign up for a time on the Google document. If you look here, this is the Zoom schedule. If you go to Thursday, I have two sections that you can sign up for. The first section starts at 1 p.m. and the second section is at 8 p.m. You need to sign up for one of those two times. So there is a YouTube tutorial also on Schoology that you can follow, but it's easier to just do it with me. So then if you have any questions, you can ask me real time. So sign up for one of those times on the Google form. Just write your name underneath here, and then I will know who is going to be at which times. Also, you had a summative assignment due last week. It was the document your life right now. And you also had to create a Google folder in the folder system that I sent you. So I'm going to kind of go over that. If you look here, this is the folder system. I'm going to go ahead and go to photography. And these are the students that have already created their folder on Schoology. So if you do not see your name on here, you need to make sure that you have a folder on here because we will start doing our critiques through these folders, and you will need to make sure that you are downloading stuff into these folders so you can also do, other people can critique your work. I am going to show you how to set up and organize your folder. So I'm going to go to mine right here. And if you see right here, you will want to put a folder within a folder. This is my first folder. It's documenting life right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And there are my photos representing my documentation, my photojournalism of the couple of weeks in self-isolation. So you will want to make sure that you are downloading your photos into here. All summative assignments need to be downloaded into Google. You'll download them onto your blog, but you need to download them into Google so other people can look at them and we can critique from these folders. So please make sure that you have your folder ready to go with your name, and then you're going to download your first summative in there so other people can look at that. So that is a major assignment that is due in here. Also, we're going to look over here. Like I said, the Man versus Nature assignment is going to be due next week. I am going to quickly go over it. This is the assignment right here. You need two photos to do this assignment. You need to take a really good portrait of somebody, kind of up close, so it takes up the majority of your format. And then you need a really good landscape photo. These can be older photos that you have taken, but you do need to make sure that they have really good lighting. So there is a tutorial on in the folder. So if you click on the Man versus Nature folder, you will be able to see examples of what we're going to be doing. So you can actually see how big the portraits are. And then obviously there is a landscape photo that goes along with it. There's a Photoshop tutorial right here for YouTube. So if you are good at learning how to do stuff through a YouTube tutorial, you are welcome to get a head start and get going on that. Or again, you can also sign up for those times on Zoom and just create this assignment with me, which is what I recommend. Please do not leave this to the last second. You do need to make sure, again, that you have two really great photos to do this. A photo of yourself, a friend, or a family member. Make sure it's taken outside in good lighting. And then you probably want to try to minimize your background so then you don't have to select everything. And then you do need to have a really good landscape photo that kind of goes along with that. Again, there's a huge folder with resources right here, some really great examples of how to do this. and that's what we're going to be going over. So this is going to be due next week. Please make sure that you are working on it this week, along with your photos of the week. Photos of the week can just be put onto your blog and handed in on Schoology, but your summative needs to be downloaded to your folder. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please sign up for a Zoom time. Those are the times right here, just so that I can kind of give you feedback on what you're doing. All right, have a great week. See you later.